We're building on 100 years of experience to make the best cooling products yet. And we consider this to be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for us. Technology today should not stand out, but blend in. So it all starts with understanding you and your home, understanding the needs and wants for a product which you interact with countless times throughout the day. We take great responsibility in making this experience better.
A fridge is a cold space that should store your food in the best possible way. The new range of products is focusing on decluttering the interior to amplify the sense of space through a simplified form language and new drawer designs with edge-to-edge lines.
Materials and finishes connect our design to the home. We use familiar materials and we aim to use them purposefully and honestly. With matte finishes, we further declutter the interiors and we make humble materials like plastic feel more valuable.
We balance form and function. We offer the latest technology, seamlessly integrated with the design.
With light, we can create a soft and inviting feel, but it's equally about giving you a good overview of what you have inside your fridge. You have a better possibility to see what's fresh and what you need to eat soon.
Designing for sustainability is at the core of Electrolux. We take a multifaceted approach. It's about selecting materials that are durable and recyclable, choosing processes that have a lower environmental impact, and designing aesthetics that last, making sure that the product feels and even sounds great to interact with.
We also developed a new user interface that gently nudges you to reduce energy consumption thanks to the eco function.
We're proud of what we've been able to achieve. These products will be in your home and adapt to your changing lifestyle for many years to come. Understanding you, that's our responsibility, and it's how we develop great experiences.